In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get free tasks with Zapier. Now, whether you're a Zapier novice or a seasoned automation expert, this guide will walk you through a simple process to tap into some free resources Zapier has to offer. Let's dive right in. First things first, we need to head over to the Zapier website. Just open your preferred web browser and type in zapier.com. This platform serves as a powerful automation tool that connects your apps and services to automate tasks efficiently. Once you're there, you'll notice their tagline promoting automated workflows, agents, and apps. An enticing invitation to streamline your processes. Next, you'll want to click on the Login button, which you can usually find at the top right of their homepage. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. Signing up is straightforward and doesn't take much time. For those of you who are logging in, just enter your credentials and we'll proceed to the next step. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Zapier home. This is your dashboard, your personal command center where you can oversee all your zaps, explore templates, and more. You can find this by clicking on the Home link, usually in the main navigation menu. It's where you'll get a snapshot of your current automations and track what's active. With that done, let's head over to your profile section. You can access this area by clicking on your username or profile icon, normally found at the top right corner of the screen. Your profile page is where you manage your account details, and importantly for today's task, where you can access your account settings. Now, let's move on to settings. This is your go-to place for tweaking various aspects of your Zapier experience. From here, navigate down to the Billing and Usage section. This area contains vital information about your current plan and usage statistics. It's important to know where you stand in terms of your plan's limitations and opportunities. Once you're in the Billing and Usage section, you will see a detailed breakdown of your usage, including how many tasks you've completed, your remaining task allocation, and any opportunities for free tasks or promotions that you may be eligible for. Zapier often provides opportunities for free tasks, especially if you are actively engaging with their platform or participating in any marketing promotions they might be running. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you're now able to easily check if you qualify for free tasks with Zapier. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful, helping you to make the most of this valuable automation tool. If you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and happy automating!